Hello everybody, my name is Will and I'm playing MindPlex. So let's get started. So I already have a pickaxe because I've played this game before. So let's go mining over here. And then I'm gonna just pick some place and then mine. And then now I'm just gonna mine down, because that's probably the way you get the most stuff. Whoa! There's just a huge hole there. Okay, I'm gonna mine here. Oh, this is where the hole was. I just fell down it again. Oh my gosh. This is so hard. Can't. I keep falling down holes. Just in random places. There's just a hole right there. I almost fell into it. Oh, so I'm gonna mine away this. And then I'm gonna go back here and then what happened? There's a little bit. What kind of hole was that? It was just you mine somewhere. And there's a hole right where you mine. So I'm gonna go over here. And then, yay! There's just a little pit I can stand in. So, hello. Hello. Hello? Can you see me? I guess no. Okay. I'll just keep mining. There's a hole right there. Oh, I'm gonna trick someone. Oh, dang it. My pickaxe broke. Gonna go get a new pickaxe. So I'll sell my stuff. Why did I get an extra thing? I can't do it. Oh, I was doing the wrong one. Okay. Now I'm gonna go get a new pickaxe. So, here's the pickaxes. So I got a wooden one. So now I'm gonna go back over to the mine. Okay. Hopefully I don't fall down any holes anymore. Okay, so I'm just gonna mine away this. And then you can jump 2 blocks, so I'm just gonna jump up here. Okay. Seriously. Okay, so looked like I was mining that block, but I mined this block. Why is there a staircase down here? Okay. I'm just gonna do that. And then do it again over here. So hopefully there's no holes over here. Keep jumping on that block. Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna do the next block right here. Somehow I got stuck in this block. Okay. What happened? I just fell down that hole. Seriously. Okay, I'm gonna mine a hole straight down. And then, okay, I'll do it right here since this is probably the highest point. Can't get in this block. Wait, got in the block. It was like a 3-block gap. And focus. I can't get up this ladder. That was huge. I only mined like 3 blocks. Okay, so okay. I'm just gonna jump over here. I knew there was gonna be a hole there to the bottom. Oh, I need help. I can't get out of here. Don't fall. Okay. Oh, I just fell. I'm gonna get over here and then sell my stuff. So now I'm gonna go get a new pickaxe. And now I'm gonna get a better one since I have enough money to get it. Now I'm gonna get a gold one since I have enough. Okay. Okay, so I'm going back over to the mine. Whoops. I'm actually gonna go to the the summer kind of mine. I forget what it is. I forget how to get in here too. PvP mine. And there's so many cobwebs here. How do you get out of these? I can't get out of these cobwebs. And now I just fell into another one. I wish you could play it. I wish you could break this. Oh my gosh. This is taking so. Bye bye, son. Cobble. Goodbye. No. I can't get out of this cobweb. There's so many cobwebs here. I'm gonna try and kill this guy. I killed him. Okay, now I'm gonna get this stuff. I have no sword, so I might want to get out of here soon. So, I'm gonna get out of here. Run! Ah, into the pumpkins. Oh, I fell. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to the lobby. And now I'm gonna come over here and then mine some stuff, some cobblestone. This mine's so fast. Like, I can't even open it. This one doesn't mine as much as wood even. Okay, that's probably gonna end it, guys. So, hope you enjoyed. And, okay, so I need to